Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready? Watch my story. Let's start. Look, Mark. I can see the city down there.
Wow, yes, that is Rio de Janeiro.
Oh, it is so beautiful from up here.
I can see green mountains and a big blue ocean.
Look, there is a long beach too.
Yes, that is probably Copacabana Beach.
I am so excited for this trip, Mark.
Me too, Emma. This will be a wonderful vacation.
I want to see everything, the beaches, the mountains, and the city.
Don't worry, we have many days here.
Good. I can't wait to start our adventure. Mark, we are finally here. This is Copacabana Beach.
It is beautiful. Emma, look at that sand. It is so golden.
Oh, and the water is so blue and clear.
I love the sound of the waves.
Me too. Let's find our hotel first, and then we can relax.
Good idea. It is just a short walk from here.
I am a little tired, but very happy.
Same here. This place feels like a dream.
I can't believe we are really in Rio de Janeiro.
Neither can I. Let's enjoy every moment.
Yes, let's do that. This orange juice is so fresh, Mark.
Yes, it is delicious. Try the fruit too.
This mango is very sweet.
I love breakfast by the beach. It feels so relaxing.
Me too. What is our plan for today?
I think we should visit Sugarloaf Mountain first.
Oh, I heard the view from there is amazing.
Yes, we can take a cable car to the top.
That sounds exciting. I am ready when you are.
Great, let's finish breakfast and then we can go.
Perfect. I love mornings like this. Oh, wow! Look how high we are already.
I know, this view is incredible.
I can see the whole city from here.
Yes, and look at the ocean. It looks so small now.
This is amazing, Mark. I'm a little nervous, but very happy.
Don't worry, the cable car is very safe.
Okay, I trust you. I just want to enjoy the view.
Good, we are almost at the top now.
I can't wait to see everything from up there.
Me too. It will be worth it, I promise.
Mark, this view is absolutely beautiful.
I know. I can see the whole city from here.
Look, I can even see the beach where we walked this morning.
Yes, and over there, I think that is Christ the Redeemer.
Oh, it looks so small from this distance.
We will see it up close soon.
I feel so happy standing here.
Me too. This is a moment I want to remember.
Let's stay a little longer and enjoy the view.
Good idea. There is no hurry today.
This is the best morning of our trip so far. Oh, my hat! The wind just took my hat.
Oh no, where did it go?
I don't know. It flew right off my head.
Don't worry, Emma. I think I can see it.
Really? Where is it?
Look, over there, near that bench.
Oh, I hope it did not fall over the railing.
No, it landed safely. I can see it clearly.
That is such a relief. I really like that hat.
Stay here. I will go and get it for you.
Thank you, Mark. You are very kind. Be careful, Mark. Please don't hurry too much.
Don't worry. I am walking carefully.
I can see the hat. It is right there on the bench.
Yes, I see it too. Almost there.
Thank you so much for helping me.
Of course, Emma, it is not a problem at all.
I was worried I would lose my favorite hat.
Don't worry, everything is okay now.
You are a really good friend, Mark.
I am happy to help you, always.
Oh, thank you, Mark. You found it.
Here you go, Emma, safe and sound.
I am so happy right now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I am glad I could help.
Let me put it back on. Carefully this time.
Good idea. Hold it tightly this time.
Yes, I will. That was a little scary.
It's okay now. Everything is fine.
You always know how to make things better.
That's what friends are for, Emma.
I am very lucky to have you here with me. Mark, look how tall the statue is.
I know, it is much bigger than I imagined.
It feels very peaceful standing here.
Yes, it does. The view around it is also beautiful.
I love how the arms are open wide, like a big welcome.
That is a nice way to think about it.
This place makes me feel calm and happy.
Me too. I am glad we came here today.
Let's stay a little while and enjoy this moment.
Sounds perfect to me.
This is definitely one of my favorite places so far. This food looks delicious, Mark.
Yes, this is a traditional dish here with rice and beans.
It smells wonderful too.
Try a little bit. I think you will like it.
Okay, let me taste it. This is really good.
I told you, Brazilian food is very tasty.
I love trying new food when we travel.
Me too. It is one of my favorite parts of a trip.
What is this vegetable called?
I am not completely sure, but it tastes great with rice.
I agree. This lunch is perfect after a long morning.
Yes, now we have energy for more sightseeing.
Oh, look at all these colorful houses, Mark.
I know, this neighborhood is so charming.
I love the yellow tram. It looks so classic.
Yes, it has been here for many years, I think.
This street feels like a painting.
It really does. Every corner looks different and beautiful.
I want to remember every color on this street.
We can take a few photos if you like.
Yes, please. This place is too pretty to forget.
Let's walk a little more. There is more to see ahead.
Okay, I am enjoying every step of this walk. Mark, look at this sunset. It is so beautiful.
I know, the sky looks like it is painted with orange and pink.
This ice cream is the perfect way to end the day.
I agree. What flavor did you choose?
I chose mango. It tastes so fresh and sweet.
Nice choice. Mine is coconut. It is really good too.
Today was such a wonderful day, full of new things.
Yes, it really was. I am glad we shared it together.
Me too. I will remember this sunset for a long time.
Let's just sit here quietly and enjoy the view.
Yes, let's do that. Mark, look at the stars. They are so clear tonight.
Yes, the sky looks amazing from here.
I can hear the waves so clearly in the quiet night.
It is very peaceful, isn't it?
Yes, it really is. I feel so relaxed right now.
Me too. This has been such a wonderful trip.
I loved every part of it. The beaches, the mountains, and the food.
And don't forget your hat adventure.
Oh, don't remind me. But yes, that was a funny moment too.
I am really happy we came to Rio de Janeiro together.
Me too, Mark. This is a trip I will never forget. What a perfect way to end our day in Rio de Janeiro.
I agree, this city is truly amazing.
Thank you for such a wonderful trip, Mark.
Thank you too, Emma. I am happy we did this together.
I can't wait to see what tomorrow brings.
Me too. There is still so much more to explore.
For now, let's just enjoy this quiet moment.
Yes, let's stay here a little longer.
Good night, Rio de Janeiro. Thank you for today.
Good night and see you again tomorrow.
Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.